Hi there! In today's video, I will be showing you on how to change the privacy setting to only me on a video you already posted on TikTok. In the TikTok app, go to the video you'd like to update. You can find your videos on your profile. Then, tap the More Options button on the side of the video. Look for the privacy settings at the bottom and tap it. Tap Who can watch this video. Choose your privacy setting. In this case, choose and tap Only Me. Once done, take a look at your video to see if the changes had been made. In this case, the video is now private. And there you have it. That is how you change your privacy setting to Only Me on a video you already posted on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it useful, please consider giving us a like. It would be much appreciated. Thank you again. Until the next time.